Hey guys, we're doing the Update Supreme Hard Shot box to the setting up random not teams. Random is live. It's 6:05:35 PM Melbourne time. The participants first. Going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. Player drawn out. Going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1. So random is complete, and the team that players are Andrew Cock with Thunmaker, Palmisano, Wiggins, Andrew Hunt, Dennis Rodman, Marcus Alott, Jerry West, Kiwi with Dirk, Brendan with Dr. J, Andrew with Allen Iverson, Andrew Hunt with LeBron, Andrew Cock with Jamal Murray, Nick Powell with Stephen Curry, Eugene Yu, Porzingis, Bowman, Cousins, Holland, Alonzo Mourning, Simon with Kevin Love, Mr. Holland with George Gervin, Dane Weber with Kat, Brendan with Elgin Baylor, Andrew with Magic Johnson, Bowman with Penny Hardaway, Andrew with Markel Fultz, Eugene with Ben Simmons, Mr. Holland with Zach Levine, Brendan Clyde Drexler, Bowman Larry Bird, Kiwi Hakeem, Mr. Holland Jordan, and Brendan with Vince Carter. And that is the team player list. Oh my good lord, every time I read them. And that is that.